this massively talented Indian. Neeraj Chopra, World Junior Champion in a World Junior record 2 years ago.
And now Neeraj Chopra set a world record at junior level. What can the Indian do? First up, wonderful in qualifying. Oh, good throw. Great leverage, great height, great distance over the 85-metre mark. Remarkable. He's got a personal best of 86.48, a season best of 85.94, and I'd imagine that is close to the over the 85-metre mark. 86.47 for Neeraj Chopra. Of 82.20 will be good enough for him to take home the bronze medal. Chopra, look at that, that is a red flag out of the front of the circle, but it won't matter for him. India will win a gold medal in the field, in the men's javelin, a dominating performance. A first up round throw.
The gold medalist and Commonwealth champion,
well, this
representing
guy,
India, Neeraj
cool as a
Chopra.
cucumber, 20 years of age, he's got the long hair, he wears a bandana when he competes. The World Junior Champion is now the Commonwealth Champion, and I rather suspect a very excited welcome awaits him when he returns to India. He's the Asian champion from last year as well. A real star in the making. PB of 86.48, another couple of meters on that, and he'll be